Okay, I guess it's more like engineering. It's like when it comes to engineering, we need to know what we want to build for that particular project, and then what are the material that we need to use. The thing is, we have it all. How can we use the material that are already inside of us and re-engineer our life to the future? And I guess this is really good, as in this course give us the tools and the material, because a lot of time when we go to reading a book or some course, we just get to know it, but how are we going to do it and how are we going to be it? These 2 days is really breaking it down to how then you get the material inside of you, already inside of you, to then re-engineer, reprogram you to the future.